More than 20 sexual assault victims all across the country are now suing Uber, accusing the rideshare company of failing to implement proper safety checks against their drivers. Fox 26's Natalie Hee is joining us live to explain the allegations. Natalie.
Well, with so many open pending cases, the victims and their attorneys are now banding together, hoping to consolidate all of those allegations into one massive claim against Uber. There was a hearing today, and there's another one set at the end of the month. Today, we spoke with a Houston attorney who's leading the efforts.
These reports show that at least 10,000 victims have reported sexual assault or sexual misconduct on the Uber platform. We do think that that's an underreport because statistics show that only around 20% of sexual assaults are actually reported.
Attorney Brett Stanley with Houston-based law firm Kirker Garcia is now part of a national legal committee suing Uber in a multi-district litigation. The lawsuits claim that there have been more than 9,800 sex assaults against riders in the last 4 years, including his client, Katie Espinosa.
Katie was in the back seat in an Uber ride, and she dozed off for a time and awoke with a driver groping her breast. Uber has had 1 billion rides year over year on their system. That means that Uber is pairing 1 billion people with a B to riders and drivers every year. With that comes a duty to make sure that that place is safe.
Stanley says Uber has failed to conduct proper driver background checks and install surveillance video measures to protect both drivers and riders. Court documents allege that Uber hired Hire Ease Incorporated to do its background checks, a company that brags that it can vet drivers within 36 hours. Shortcuts that they say led to growth but put people in danger.
We can't be pairing individuals with drivers who could be dangerous or potentially dangerous. And so with every ride, Uber collects data on both the driver and the rider. If a rider reports something that's strange or off, Uber keeps that information. The rider never knows if an Uber driver has committed any allegations of sexual misconduct.
In a statement, a spokesperson with Uber said, quote, "Sexual assault is a tragic crime, and we take any report of this nature very seriously. While we cannot comment on pending litigation, we are committed to keeping safety at the forefront of everything we do by building features and policies to help make the platform safe for all users." Now, the hearing to consolidate all the lawsuits is set for September 28th in Kentucky. For more information, you can go to our website, fox26houston.com. In Southwest Houston, Natalie Hee, Fox 26 News.